Now coming to the next question, that is question number 8. They are saying a floral design is made up of 16 tiles. There are total 16 tiles and you have to find the cost of polishing. First we need to calculate the area, total area of 16 tiles. What we will do, we will calculate area of one tile into 16. We will calculate the area of one tile, multiply it with the 16 and we will get the total area. As you can see, this is one tile. This area, the shaded portion is a tile. How to get this area? As you can see, this is a triangle. So using Heron's formula, you can get the area, and area comes out to be 36 into under root 6 or 36 root 6, approximately 36. We already got the value of under root 6, 2.44, and this comes out to be 1411.2. It comes out to be 88.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of one tile. Now 16 tiles is equal to, we will multiply this area by 16 and you will get around 1411.2 centimeter square. After this, they are saying cost of polishing. Cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is equal to 50 paisa. Don't forget to convert it into rupees. 50 paisa means 0.5 rupee. Now multiply. 1 centimeter cost is this. 1411.2 centimeter square cost is equal to this multiply by the 0.5. This will give you cost, and cost comes out to be 705.6 rupees. In this way you will get the answer. And question number 9, I will not discuss the complete question number 9. Question number 9 you have already done. Trapezium is given, parallel sides are given and non-parallel sides are given. We did this question in 8th class. Draw a line parallel to this. So this will be 14. This was 10. This is also 10. So this comes out to be 15, as this total was given 25. Now can you find the area of this triangle? Let this point is F. Area of CFB using Heron's formula 13, 14, 15, the area comes out to be 84 centimeter square. Now to get the area of trapezium area is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Means we need to get the height. Sum of parallel sides we already have. Height. Area of CFB, half into base into height is equal to 84. Half. Base is given 15. Height you have to calculate. So h is equal to 84. 2 goes on this side upon 15. And this comes out to be 11.2 meters. Now put this height in this formula and get the area of trapezium. This question you have already done in 8th class. Same question.